Okay, this is Mr. Old over here. Check. Anytime now. Come on. It's gone. Abaseka abantu today. Okay, then we try Mr. New over. Yeah, over here. Remember, I started that one earlier on than this one. Check this one. Do you see? This one is still there. Okay, let's go again. What up, guys? Today we're working on. My name is Fistomatic, by the way. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, it's this dust that's getting me rushing. The working conditions aren't that good, but hey, what can we do? So today we're working on this beauty over here. It's an i20 1.6. What I'm actually doing, we're replacing the shocks. Front shocks. The other ones we'll have to see later on. Voila, over here these are brand new shocks. Right, this is the box, brand new shocks. So yeah, let me crack on, guys. We'll see you just now. Anyway, guys, this is not a step by step, but anyway, if you're interested in doing it for yourself, to take away just to get to these bolts over here. It's covered by those wiper motors. At least this one you don't have to work hard to remove it. This is the scuttle, whatever they call it. This is where the wipers sit on top of, right? And then underneath this baby over here, you've got the frame for the motor, for the wiper motors. It's just held on by size 10mm bolts, and then you're good to go. I removed all of those just for these, just to get here, because you can't get to these are the shock mounts. You can't get to the shock mounts without removing those wiper motor. Yeah, it looks very naked right now. Yeah, so yeah, let me carry on. Yeah, guys, the battle lives on. I've been struggling with this bolt over here. It didn't want to come off. As you see here, I've won. So what I did, I took an E10. Hey, wait, nah, show E10. I took an E10 socket, and then yeah, I wedged it over here, hammered it, put a spanner, 18mm spanner over the nut, and then because now when you rotate the nut, if it's fastened, it rotates even with this stud. So I put on the E socket over here, worked it with a hammer until it was holding, and then I took a spanner over here and also a socket over there, and then it was loose. But hey, it was not an easy job. Okay, guys, so what's happening over here? Remember, we're removing the shock, right? So what's going to happen is that we're going to remove the drop link over here. It's a size 17. Then we're going to remove the shock. We're going to free up the shock from here. Alright, there are two bolt and nut over here and over there. This is what I'm doing right now. When you remove these, this stub axle is going to be free, and then you can remove the shock. So that's what I'm doing currently right now. you get down there, as you can see here, I was removing the top bolt over here, right? This is where it stands on, it mounts to the car like that on the top mount. And then there's another one over here that you need to remove. I want to show you. And voila, these are the spring compressors that I bought. So it's basically simple to do this, guys, if you know how. So yeah, guys, out with the old and in with the new. Okay, so this one is the new one. Where's the old one? This is Mr. Old over here. Yeah, just like that. I must also remove, as you can see here, it's a genuine part, which means this car has never changed shocks before. So yeah, we're gonna take this what do you call it, gasket thing. It's where the spring will sit on the new one. So we'll take Mr. gasket over here and put it, bye-bye, and put it there. So it's a perfect match. It's the correct one. Everything fits nicely, as you can see over here. So hey guys, forgive me, but these YouTube things sometimes, they're hard when you're doing it on your own. So yeah, it's all the same. So let me show you the difference between Mr. New and Mr. Old. You'll see the pressures. There will be different compressions, stiffness, if I can put it like that, stiffness. So let's replace. Okay, this is Mr. Old over here. Check. Anytime now. Come on. It's gone. Abaseka ban today. Okay, then we try Mr. New over. Yeah, over here. Remember, I started that one earlier on than this one. Check this one. Do you see? This one is still there. Okay, let's go again. Okay, so yeah, let's carry on, guys.
yeah guys, it's built, it's nice. I was just checking the sides if I got the right side, but yeah, everything is corresponding as it should. Yeah, and yeah, check the left. It must be written left somewhere. Ah, so heavy. This one is not sitting nice. Oh, yeah. It's not sitting really nicely. But I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna align it so nice. So, yeah. But so far so good.